today in front of us, class 7th students are going to perform a street play. And these students have been putting their efforts for many days. Vidhi ma'am is helping them to perform well. So let's enjoy and see what they are going to perform.
Our traders. Corruption of our Indian officers meet them as rulers. Corruption. In every office so much work but educated people work as a clerk. What is corruption? It works like a termite, eating everything day and night. It is a malicious cancer, deep-rooted, posing a danger. Corruption took birth in the form of leaders, leading poverty and increase in number of beggars. Where is corruption? Seems torn up statesman notion, coordinate with gallantry, pride, exploration. Somewhere scholars voice explosion, solicit grant for ideal generation. Indeed, it is an epidemical cause which is spreading in the political arena. They tried a lot to remove it but lost their stamina. Politicians take millions from the government to help the poor people but swallow it all themselves. And who is going to take care of the postal letters if the postman himself is one of the corruption slaves? How to eliminate corruption?
Agitation, law, dialect and compulsion could not minimize absolute tension. To eradicate this sensitive passion must regulate spiritual diversion.
We only talk and inquire that we also know the true desire. Root cause are we, not the he or she.
Let's pledge to fight to erode this termite.
The duty of youth is to challenge corruption. So be honest and fight against corruption.
एक दो भ्रष्टाचार को फेंक दो। एक दो भ्रष्टाचार को फेंक दो। जब से आया दुनिया में ये भ्रष्टाचार तब से लोग कर रहे हैं खूब दुराचार। इसकी छाया बन रही है सर्वव्यापी पर परमात्मा के प्रति यह है पापी। है नेता भ्रष्टाचारी तो है दुनिया दुराचारी। भ्रष्टाचार को मारो ऐसे गोले ताकि हर बच्चा बस यही बोले एक दो भ्रष्टाचार को फेंक दो।
Big round of applause for them. Better they have nicely informed us what is a corruption, and we all know that it is a deep-rooted disease problem that cannot be uprooted with the help of only single hand. We all need to come together and we all need to put our efforts to eliminate from this evil from our society. We have to raise our voice against it, and for that we need to work all together. So let's make our country corruption free. Will you? Okay, thank you.